Pin nailers are one of the must-have tools for any DIY or professional carpenters. They are most preferred choice when it comes to fixing delicate materials or when the nail work has to be discreet. If pin nailer is your choice, then consider the below factors to make the right choice. There are many products available to choose best pin nailers, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best pin nailers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bostitch HP118K Pin Nailer. Bostitch is quite a popular brand of power tools that is mainly known for making durable and reliable options. This is also true for its pin nailer offering mentioned here in this article. The Bostitch HP118K pin nailer is present in the first position in this article as it offers a great build quality to the user. In fact, it is the most reliable and durable option present in this article, as it even offers a 7-year-long warranty that is much higher than other options out there. As for its performance numbers, it offers the support for 23-gauge pins that can have a length ranging from 1/2 inch to 1 3/16 inch, as per your need. Since this is a pneumatic power tool, it needs to be connected to an air compressor using its 1/4 inch air fitting. Another great thing about this pin nailer is that it comes with a wide range of handy accessories for a high value for money. Number 2. Metabo HPT Pin Nailer Kit. For those of you who are familiar with power tools, Metabo HPT must be a well-known name in the power tools industry. And Metabo Hitachi Power Tools even makes a pin nailer for handicraft purposes. Metabo HPT's NP35A pin nailer is present in the second position in this article, as it is a great powerful potion available out there. This includes things like a carrying case, oil bottle, and safety glasses included with this pin nailer. You can use 23-gauge nails with this pin nailer along with a pretty decent supported length range of inch to 1 inch. This pin nailer offers a depth adjustment for flush drives in different kinds of surfaces. A unique feature offered by this pin nailer is that its magazine automatically adjusts according to the size of pins you are using inside it. Number 3. Air Fastener Pin Nailer. Air Fastener can be another great option if you are looking for a power tools brand that offers budget options to the user. This is also true for its pin nailer option, available for an affordable price tag. Just per its name, it supports up to 23-gauge pins for use in your workshop or construction needs. But unlike other budget options out there, this one offers a 3-year-long warranty that can be quite handy down the road if you face any issues with this pin nailer. Despite its lower price tag, you also get handy features with it. This includes things like an easy quick load magazine that can save you a lot of time while reloading pins in it. Its exhaust cover is completely adjustable for blowing air away from the user. Another great thing about this pin nailer is that you get an overmold grip in it that offers comfort while using it. Number 4. Grex P635 23 Pinner. Grex is a smaller brand of power tools when it comes to pneumatic tools like a pin nailer. That being said, it offers some features that are not found in any other option out there. The Grex P635 pin nailer offers the largest range of supported nail lengths when compared with other options in this article. You can use almost any kind of pin ranging from inch to 1 inch with this pin nailer. And as for the gauge rating, it is the same as all other options in this article, since it is rated at 23 gauge. Unfortunately, as Grex is a smaller brand of power tools, it only offers a 1-year-long warranty to the user. Thankfully, the build quality is on the decent side, which means that you can use it for a long time. Its patented design allows it to automatically adjust its fastener length. You also get a double trigger in it for extra safety while working with sharp pins. Number 5. Valu-Air H625 Pinning Nailer. With the Valu-Air H625, we're starting to get into the lower range pin nailers. The best things it has going for is that it has a pin capacity on the larger side and is one of the easier models when it comes to clearing jams. Which is a good thing, because you should expect more jamming on this model than on others, even with smaller pin sizes. This is due in large part to the manual pin size selector, which sometimes fails to correctly align the nailer to the size it is set to. It's hard to imagine that flaw not causing problems. Overall, this is a low-powered nailer. If you need a cheap model for just a project or two and don't care too much about having to clear jams, then this is a good choice. If you want a model that's going to work well for a long time, you should probably look elsewhere.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.